Hey, it's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution. Bellator Claims Resolution. I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Andrea of Greeley, Colorado writes, I am a customer of a homeowner policy from insurance company. Unfortunately, I was hit by a hailstorm and my property got damaged. And the insurance company personnel had led me to believe that my roof would be covered in such an event. Instead, my policy was based on actual cash value, meaning that my roof was considered older and only worth 40 cents on the dollar. That's a really good explanation of actual cash value, which includes depreciation and other things that are made up of that. And so now, instead of getting 100 cents on the dollar, you're only getting 40 cents. Combined with my deductible, insurance company basically did not pay only but a few $100s of my new roof. That's unfortunate. Basically, the insurance company sells inferior insurance policies which have coverage gaps that you can drive a truck through. I spoke with them, the insurance company, I'm assuming multiple times. All I heard was how sorry they were. They did not pay the bill. So much for the good hands, people. When you see these guys coming for you with their good hands, hide your wallets. That's good advice. I will never do business with them again. I wish I could get a new insurance company. So the thing is this. Your policy dictates your benefits after a covered cause of loss. It tells you what you are owed based on the policy coverage that you have. Usually better policies cost a little bit more money, but aren't they worth it when you need them? And that's what it is you're basically saying, hey, this is the risk that I might face in my lifetime or however long I might own this property or whatever it might be, okay? And for this dollar amount that I pay you, insurance company, you in return promise contractually based on the policy that you will pay this out based on all of these things that are outlined in the policy. So the problem is insurance companies make money by denying and underpaying claims. And so when they underpay your claim, they actually have more money in their coffers. And if you have the wrong policy, no matter what you say or what you scream or what we can do, if you don't have the right policy in place at the right time, there's not a whole lot else that we can do, okay? So that's why you've heard me say it so many times. Read your policy, make sure you have the right coverage. Go for the right coverage first and then the price second. Because no matter what you have, if you have a really great price on the wrong type of policy for you, it doesn't matter. It's not gonna give you the benefits that you need. And trust me, cheap insurance is cheap until you need a claim fully and fairly paid. Because these cheaper insurance companies want to get you in the door and keep you around and pay your premiums until that claim is filed. And then they're like, whoa, hey, wait a second. You actually want us to do our job? And then the roller coaster ride starts. So if you are on that roller coaster ride and you don't like it and you need help with your insurance claim, contact us today. BellatorClaims.com. We'll see what we can do for you to help you with your insurance claim and get you fully and fairly paid. Contact us today.